दोग जाणां कितें करता ती रेनकोट घालता काय काडटा कळना येऊ कॅमेरा आक्सान हयच म्हणप सगळें
Yes.
तो तो उजवा काय दावो वो काय वो
Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3.
हाव डीड वी लँड हियर आमी गाडयेन आयल्या म्हाका ती राहुल कन्जर्वेशन स्क्रिप्ट दिवंक जाय म्हणून अर्णवार दिल्ली
Smile.
I think I met him in 2012 or 13 during campaigning. There was some campaigning in Miramar.
गार्गीक तसो फर्स्ट टायम मेळ्ळा आसतलो म्हाका दिसता CCPचें इलेक्शन आशिल्लें
And I knew that he existed because I would see him around Panjim during election on someone's scooter or a bike. So I know that there was a person called as Akhil Parikar, but I never spoke to him or got any chance to know him. He's an extrovert if you know him.
आशिरे प्लीज अरे हांसप आनी जायना भाऊ यो वयल्यान यो बोवाळ मारूंक आहा फाटल्या दारांतल्यान हाडलो म्हणून जावया फक्त वयर मरे काळी टोपी हाड दाखयता
He used to always say, let's meet. But I was skeptical because he was into politics, of course. So I said, maybe it's better to keep some distance because I had my own reservations at that time.
पळय लग्न म्हज्या हातून लग्न म्हाका करपूच ना अशें दिसतालें कितलेशींच वर्सां जो पर्यंत स्वताक दिसना की आय एम ओके टू गेट मॅरीड आय एम रेडी फॉर अ मॅरेज तो पर्यंत लग्न करप ना अशें ठरयल्लें मागीर जाता 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 पुण्या उरलो 5-6 वर्सां मागीर परत गोंयान आयलो थंय पर्यंत दिसूना लग्न जावचें मागीर सडनली ऑन 28 जानेवारी दिसता म्हाका जे आमचो पूल बांदलो बाईन सो ते पुलाच्या इनॉग्रेशनाक म्हाका गार्गी मेळ्ळें सो इनॉग्रेशन जातकूच
He asked his friend to take his picture, and when my mother was taking my picture, he bumped into my mother.
पयल्या म्हजी आतांची माय I turned, I said sorry गार्गी बरें मगो आणि I walked off.
So my photo is a bit blur. You can't see me clearly. After that, probably I outgrew my own self. I decided, okay, let's meet this fellow. I took the initiative, of course, this time, and I said, let's go for lunch, and we went to Didar. That's when I started meeting him often, talking to him more often, and I liked him.
आमच्या अजित कामत जरी गार्गी हागेल्या देवाच्या आशीर्वादान मंगल कार्य ठरल्या त्या निमित्तान जेवणाकडे एकंदरीत ह्या महालक्ष्मीच्या सणान आज घरांत हांगा येवन तांणी देवाक स्थापन करतात देवाक स्थापन करून फालच्या दिसा तेन्ना आमचे श्रीमान सुरेश प्रभू परीकर हाजो चलो ओके हाजे बरोबर मंगल कार्य
I never felt like how I felt with him.
शेवटी कशें आसा तुजे नशिबान कितें आसा तेंच मेळटा हें बरयल्लें आसता डेस्टिनी इज युअर फायनल reason of meeting Gargi again Monor Kaka. So I always feel that he has blessed us from that day.
Even for our engagement, we had a small miniature Atal Setu.
लोक मुदयो खंय तरी दवरतात. So we created a 3D Atal Setu. I was of a clear opinion. म्हणजे म्हजी पयल्या दिसाच्यान विचार क्लियर आशिल्ले की लग्न जातलो जाल्यार कोणा बरोबर जातलो, म्हणजे इवन अरेंज सोयरीक आयली जाल्यार आय विल हॅव टू नो दॅट पर्सन बिफोर आय गेट मॅरीड.
He was not very sure. He want to settle down or he just wants to be doing what he is doing.
Gargi asked me out, but I said wait.
So when I told my friend Mithila that I really like this guy and what should I do? She's like, Gargi, पहिले म्हणलं तुका कोण आवडना. So if you like him, go and marry him. I really took her advice. So I said, yeah, probably if I like this guy, I should get married.
I was not sure for myself to give that commitment. ताका सोयरीको हाडप चालू आशिल्लें.
I told him, my mother wants me to get married. If you want to marry me, this is the time.
ताणें म्हाका 1-2-3दा विचारलें, बाबा कितें लग्न जावपाचें बी मिटींग हें तें.
Probably, we should part ways and we'll be friends.
He was like, nah, I'll have to take a call.
That's when I think he was like, if I don't say yes now, she'll get married. You can't express certain things. कित्याक हांवें लग्न जावप ठरयलें. I was talking to him and he was like, okay, fine, I'll come and meet your mother now. He was shocked. She's like, now? Right now? I said, yeah. He just came home and I was shocked. तो म्हाका सांगता उलय मगो तूं कित्याक गो हांव कित्याक सांगू हांव चड नर्वस म्हणून.
It is not only your heart and mind that tells you to do, but body tells you to do.
He has so many friends. I used to think that I am an extrovert, but no. I have a social battery.
Her life shares limited friends or म्हणजे बोटान वेचपाचे आनी म्हजे friends are unlimited. म्हजे फ्रेंड सर्कलान म्हजो सगळ्यान जाणटो फ्रेंड इज अरावंड 75-80 years and youngest friend was what 10-11 years.
He genuinely loves to be with people all the time.
She gets bored sometimes. ना तूच वच घेऊन. I said राव म्हणजे that is how we understand each other.
आता म्हाका अशी संवय जाल्या I have also, started to like being with people. When you start living together, they rub on you. So, changes sata. I genuinely don't know what changed and how it changed. Like sometimes things change, it's all about the thought.
Sine wave पळयशीत जाल्यार it is one cycle up, one cycle down, and it is consistent. So life is exactly sine wave. So when you want to go through up and down, you need a companion or you need a good support system. That time I was just switching my profession from my IT side to law side.
So he asked me, would you be okay with it? I said, see, as long as you are honestly working, I would be okay with you doing anything. So girls always want someone who is financially stable, right, when they want to marry. But they should also think that it can be always other way around.
First reaction she said, yes, you do whatever you want, I will support you. तेन्नाच हांवें डिसायड केलें की this is the girl who will support me for life.
We are opposites in some way, but main आमची ideology is same. So that's the reason I think even though we are different, we come together.
फायनली देव चूज करून दिता. वी आर जस्ट देर. देवान तुका पार्टनर चूज करून हाडून दवरता तुज्या समोर. यू हॅव टू जस्ट से येस. दॅट इज हाव आय बिलीव इन.
I think I lost my father very young, so once you lose your parent, your perspective about seeing life also changes. You realize ki I was very fortunate that I was born into Kamath family. They were there for me. My brothers, they love me genuinely. My sisters are there for me. They'll be there, that security, sense of security, sense of belongingness is there. म्हळ्यार परत म्हाका अशें जन्म मेळ्ळो जाल्यार I will just ask that I would be born into that same family with the same set of people, no change. My mother is everything to me. She has been my mentor, my friend, my mother, my grandparent, everything, father, my mother has played all the roles for me. And now my husband is doing that for me, so I'm very happy that my husband is, sometimes he'll act as my sibling, he'll act as my father, he's also my mother. So what my father couldn't do for me, my husband is doing for me.
शिव पार्वती म्हणजे ते अर्ध हे म्हणटा पळय, अर्ध नरेश्वर. तसो फिलींग येता तुका कित्याक यू आर गिवींग युअर हाफ सोल टू समवन एंड यू आर टेकिंग हाफ सोल ऑफ समवन एल्स. It is commitment to the soul to soul. It is not only body to body.
So एकदा म्हाका वायट दिसता, but then I think, okay, my father, has given me Akhil now. So my husband is playing all the roles. Sometimes even I feel like म्हजो भुरगो आशिल्लो जाल्यार कसो वागपाचो, अखिल तसोय वागता. So he plays all the roles for me.
मम्मी माशी आस
अखिल म्हाका सांगतालो की खूब लोकांक आपोवचें पडटलें आनी मागीर कोवीड जातकीर हांवें लायक ये म्हाका बेगीन जेवपाक मेळटलें.
सो जेन्ना लग्नाचें डिस्कशन जालें सो आय सेड निटी-ग्रिटीज आय विल नॉट गो इनटू बट आय सेड की थोड्यो गजाली हांव करतलो म्हणजे हांव करतलो.
I didn't want to stress more about lot of minor things because I knew he had handled so many events.
म्हटलें तूं टेन्शन घेवं नाका दॅट आय विल मॅनेज. म्हजे कपडे हांव मुंबय गेलो अर्द वरान क्लॉथ चूज केलो. दॅट इज द फास्टस्ट शॉपिंग आय मायट हॅव एनी वन हॅज डन फॉर हिज वेडींग. गार्गीचो एड्रेस त्याच अर्द वरान घेतला एक.
He was very upset that he could not invite his whole gang.
म्हणजे आय रेस्ट्रिक्टेड माय सेल्फ. म्हज्या मोबायलाचेर 7,500 कॉन्टॅक्ट आसा. आय हॅड टू रेस्ट्रिक्ट इट टू 500 पीपल.
जात्रा जावना कमीच लोक आशिल्ले. Decided I will not cry because हांव गोंयानूच रावतले. I will be always be there for my कामत family. गाडयेन बसता आनी I see Akhil crying. Sometimes I can't believe it's been 4 years. Like when every year anniversary येता आनी I'm like 4 years अशें जाता म्हाका.
We have decided to go on holidays every year. The memories are very good. We have not missed a chance कि हमको 4 दीस छुट्टी आल्या we will not go.
When you are in the right relationship, तुका कसो टाइम कसो गेला तोच कळना. What I would like is basically to live in a farm, grow my own vegetables with my husband, cook it with him and eat it, healthy food, live a happy life there. Village, proper village life. Although आम्ही आता विलेजूनच रावता.
लग्नाच्या पंक्तीत जिलब्यांची गोडी, लग्नाच्या पंक्तीत जिलब्यांची गोडी, अखिल आणि माझी प्रेमाची जोडी.
गव्हर्नमेंट गळटा घामाची पावळी गार्गी तूच मधी सावळी.